Whenever you are out and about, take careful note of both your primary and secondary exits. Be aware of the nearest fire alarm pole station and fire extinguisher. Take the time to carefully read and understand the emergency evacuation plan and procedures. Also know the location of the assembly points. When you hear the emergency evacuation signal, you have 4 tasks. These can be remembered by the acronym R.I.C.E. The R is for rescue. Rescue anyone in immediate danger, but never put yourself in danger. A is for alarm. Sound the alarm by calling the emergency number, and if available, activate the pole station alarm. The C is for confine. Confine the fire by closing all doors and windows. E is for extinguish or evacuate. Use the fire extinguisher. However, if the fire is too large, evacuate. Operate the fire extinguisher by remembering the acronym P.A.S.S. Once you are in a safe position, ensuring to maintain a clear exit behind you. P. Hold the pin. A. Aim the nozzle. S. Squeeze the handle. S. Sweep the spray back and forth over the seat of the fire. Please see your supervisor if anything remains unclear or if you have any further questions. Thank you for your attention.